always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the bin.
What's up, gang? Rocket family, I am back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to just be doing my makeup with you guys. It's like a sit down video. So yeah, before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all my social medias. There'll be Instagram box down below. Don't forget to comment #KareGang to get a shout out in my next video. Today's video shout out goes to these people right here. Yeah, if you guys want a video shout out in my next video, don't forget to comment #KareGang. So yeah, let's get into the video that way. So my hair isn't even laid all the way, so I'm gonna wrap it up real quick. As you guys can tell, if you can't, I'm not at home. I'm at my sister's house for like a little bit during this summer. It's good, you know what I'm saying? We're having a good time, a good moment. Okay, so this is how we're looking like. This is my face. I already moisturized it. Most of my makeup I packaged are in here. So yeah, this is my makeup. Because I'm not at home, I had to put it in this box. And I brought some tools like makeup brushes, sponges, eye curlers, all that. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is prime. My favorite primers, I brought the Kiss Pro Touch Mattifying Primer. This is how it looks like. It's a bit dirty, so yeah, this is the Kiss Pro Touch Mattifying Primer. And this is the Elf Poreless Face Primer. Now, out of these two, this one mattifies the best and it controls oil the best, so I like to use this in my T-zone. I'll use this during like the summertime when I'm really oily, and this I'll use in the wintertime because it's a bit silicone-y and more moisturizing, I guess, because this starts off as a liquid and you could like have to pat it in because once it's there, it's gonna set, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna use this today just because it's summer and we need to control some oil. Now, before in the past, I used to put primer like all over my face because I thought that's what you had to do. But now I realize it's just best when I put in my problematic areas because this is the only part of my face that really gets oily. Other than that, everything's pretty moderate. Okay, so now we're matte. I like to set in my primer, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's in Deep. I recommend this powder. It's really good, especially, and it has like a pretty good shade range. So yeah, this is really good. It doesn't leave any white cast on your face. I really don't want this to get my clothes. Okay, so I'll be back with you guys when it's been like 5 minutes. That's how long I keep it on. I sort of just put it in this area and it makes me use less foundation because there's a lot more coverage and everything's a lot more moderate. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm going to be using my fluffy brush and just brush this off. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my favorite foundation at the moment. It's the Milani Perfect Foundation and Concealer, the 2-in-1. I got it in Golden Toffee. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Jackie Aina recently reviewed it, and this is how I got the trick as well as setting your primers. I got that from Jackie Aina, so shout out to her, you know what I'm saying? Been in the Porsche so wet. I ain't even taking on tour so wet. Last girl signed in divorce so wet. Now I'm focused on me about the all-blow way. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, no Swiss, no kite. So now I'm going to be using, I don't know what you call this, but this is how it looks like. Okay, it's just like this. And I'm going to be brushing this inwards. I find that when you put your foundation on the outermost parts of your face, because you're already going to be putting concealer, it's going to look less cakey. And when you use this, when spreading the foundation, everything just looks flat, and I really like that. forehead. I find that this looks best when I don't put it. So I like to use whatever left on my brush and put on my forehead. Okay, so this is how we're looking like. Peanut butter. This is what I'm getting. Peanut butter. I'm just going to be using my sponge. I'm going to be wetting it with my illuminating mist and setting spray from e.l.f. And then I'm just gonna go over my face to remove some extra product and smooth out some streaks if there are any. Okay, so now that we're done blending everything, that's my favorite part, highlighting, contouring, eyebrows. We're about to get this look together. So the concealer that I like to use, it's not a concealer, it's a foundation. It's the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. So yeah, I find with this, I don't know, I really like using this foundation to conceal. It was my sister's foundation, but it was too light for her, so she gave it to me. And yeah, it's overall, I really like it. You don't really have to wait for it to settle in so that you can get a good coverage. Well, it is a foundation, duh. But I also have, this is also my favorite concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one you do have to wait in just to get a little bit more coverage.
On my torso, me and my dripping in the torso wet. I ain't even taking on torso wet. Damn. Last girl signed in the floor so wet. Now I'm focusing about the all-blow wet. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice, misfits, no typos. Look, wait. We just want to make you go psycho. Got $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. Eye contact on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rush with this fire, I'm also what? Young Katie dying on the floor, so what? She broke my heart to the core, so what? I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living.
Okay guys, so now that I'm done highlighting, I'm just going to be going in with my setting powder. Ooh. Before I do my eyebrows, I like to just go in with my contour stick. It's actually a foundation stick from Black Radiance. I think I got it in the last shade. It's in Chocolate Dip. It comes with this little brush on the end. I don't really like it. It's a little bit harsh. So I like to just do one single line like that. And you have to let it sit in for a little bit because it is so creamy that if you just go in and blend it out, it will disappear. So like for it to settle in a little bit and I'll blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I already have a eyebrow routine up. I'll leave that in the archive so you guys can check it out. Or in the description box, I'll leave it in there as well. So yeah, I'll be back with my eyebrows done. Alright you guys, so now the brows are done. It's time for me to brush off the powder, blend out this contour. Like, we about to get interesting. I'm going to be taking my big brush again. I'm just going to brush off all this powder. So we're blending out the contour. So again, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. mist spray. This time, I'm not going to spray it for it to be damp. I'm just going to lightly go like that.
I love over 5 minutes. Whoa, we up too hot in the place. Want to make a movie independent. Independent. I need to listen to the vision. Versus hella dirty. I'm about to clean up in the kitchen. If we making money by the minute, I'm about to do it way different. I'm just an icon living. I'm just an icon living. I ain't not a man, I'm a menace. This wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got to tell them what you want to stretch it. I'm real,
okay, so now that we snatched that contour, it's time to go in with blush. I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. blush. And I've been using the mirror this whole time. Like this tiny mirror, I've been using it the whole time. It's the dark one. So yeah, I like to use these 3 shades. I just literally go with my brush, do boop, 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 and put it on this shade. It's way too light for me to use. I don't know who they thought that was.
We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. Icons had it on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rush with this fire, I'm also. Young kitty died on the floor, so she broke my heart to the core, so I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living, so don't pick a label, bitch, just did it.
Okay, so now I'm just going to be putting on some mascara, curling my lashes. The mascara I'm going to be using is the Tarte Lash Lights Camera Mascara. I really like it. It gets like each and every individual eyelash, and it's like, hold on, it's bomb, period. So I don't know if you guys can see, but we got some lashes now. Okay, I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes. I can't do that on camera, so I'll be back with you guys. I might be done, who knows, like, yeah. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyelashes. They are like really small, like smaller than I thought. They had came in with the hair I got from Elair hair. I had got that, the lashes had came in there, and they're like really nice and simple eyelashes. I mean, like, at first I thought they were gonna be, you know, how the Chinese eyelashes be looking like, but no, it's actually nice. I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses powder and contour my nose. You can already see that there's some definition, but I'm just going to add some more definition. Now with my highlighters from Wet n Wild, this is how it is. I think it's, okay, so it's kind of my, I'm going to be adding some highlighter just on my nose. I'm not going to add any on the side or my cheeks or anything like that because my hair falls in my face. So I'm just going to be adding it in my nose as well as the brow bone. Enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment #KareGame to get started in my next video. Now about to insert Bible versus start of week and a quick for the occasion. Get right path, get right way.
I ain't not a man, I'm a menace. This wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got to tell them what you want to stretch it.
So hope you guys enjoyed that Bible verse. Don't forget to follow all my social medias. They're in the description box down below. Peace, girls out. Whoa.